And bam, here it is, guys. Here it is. So, bam, okay. All right, look at this thing. Bam. Welcome back, guys, to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. Today we have an awesome unboxing here for you all. This is a knife that I've been looking forward to acquiring here for some time now. Recently picked this bad boy up from a fellow YouTuber, Tim School of Fish. Go check out his channel. He was doing a knife sale and I decided to pick up this guy right here. There are affiliate links on the description if you're interested in checking this guy out. Those links do help out the channel at no extra cost to you. You saw the title and thumbnail, so let's get into cutting in the box. And doing the honors today, of course, we have the Civivi Vision FG, awesome EDC knife, and I already have an unboxing and review video out on the channel on this guy. So go ahead and make some cuts here. This knife again is from a YouTuber colleague, Tim School of Fish, and he was doing a knife sale. Decided to pick this guy up. So it is a used knife, but it should be a very light use. That being said, all right, I think the box opens this way. Here we go. All right, look at that. Got a note from Tim himself. Thanks, Miguel. Enjoy. Appreciate it, brother. I'm looking forward to EDCing this guy here. As soon as this video is over, you guessed it, this knife is going in the pocket. Let me give you guys a little hint here of the knife that we're working with. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. It is the Civivi Sentinel Strike. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this guy out. The box is already open from before, because he used it on his channel very lightly, and then I was able to pick it up for a small discount. So nice Civivi pouch here, of course, very typical there from Civivi. You have all the instructions, the little stickers, as they usually do. You guys have seen the unboxings here in the channel before. Warranty, the Civivi wiping cloth, the Elementum being best of show in 2021. How about that? And bam, here it is, guys. Here it is. So yeah, let's get all this stuff here out of the way so we can make some room for this guy. Here we go. I just wanted to get everything out of the frame there so the camera can focus properly. And here it is, guys, the Civivi Sentinel Strike. Quick impressions right off the bat. This thing is very, very light as compared to the monstrosity that is the Microtech MSI, even though it is on FRN. I've been EDCing this guy a lot. Check out the unboxing on this beast. But yeah, this guy feels very, very light. Aluminum handles already, based on what I can see. Deep pocket carry. It is somewhat of an integral here, and FRN sort of clamp here in the back with some screws on either side. That's interesting. And it is, of course, a button lock. So let's go ahead and check out the action on this guy, shall we? Bam, okay. All right, look at this thing. This thing is huge. It is a large knife. Absolutely no doubt about that. Let me see, feel in the hand. Right off the bat, this feels really, really good in the hand. Got a nice little curvature here for your index, right? The rest of the handle is pretty good. I got medium to large hands, plenty of handle left to go. Awesome forward finger choil here. Allows you to get some good work right there. Very, very nice blade. I like this blade a lot. When this knife came out, I put my eyes on it. It was this and the Vision FG. These two came out around the same time, and these were two knives that I definitely have my sights on. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it in my voice, but I'm a little bit under the weather. So hopefully, my apologies there. I don't sound too beat up and the audio quality is still not the worst. Hopefully, I'll get over this cold here very soon. But yes, these two. So when these two came out, I knew for a fact I was definitely going to pick them up sometime. I picked up the Vision FG first, right? Been having a blast with this guy, and it was about time that I got me the Sentinel Strike. Modified sheepsfoot Warncliffe reverse tanto, if you want to call it that. Kind of blade going on here, stone washed. This is K110, I believe, K110 steel, which is a little controversial. A lot of people, would have wanted a more premium steel like the Nitro V on the Vision FG. Right, almost rhymes there for a second. The K110 is essentially another company's version of D2, and this knife does come in at around $85 full price. Now I did again get this one for a slight discount there from Tim, and very, very nice looking Savage blade right there. You have a thumb opening and you have a thumb stud, so that's interesting. Let's check out the action a little bit more here. All right, that's with the button. All right, flipping it, bam. I want to say, is there enough pressure there on the detent? I want to say I'm trying to feel it, but yeah, you could if you don't put enough enthusiasm, you could feel it. See, thumb deployment, yes, all day, every day with thumb deployment. Reverse flick with the thumb stud. Oh, fail. There it is. Could you use get your fingernail in here and well, bam? Of course you can. Absolutely, you could do the slow thumb opening right here. It reminds me a lot of the Demko AD 20.5 with the fact that it has a blade opening and a thumb stud at the same time. Like that combination going on there. And man, I can tell you this blade right here is going to put in work for those utility cuts. Get that tip is very, very low. This tip is actually below the pivot point. It's going to come very handy right there. Aluminum handles, they feel pretty good in the hand. Civivi logo, nice and big. Pretty big C logo right there compared to the one on the FG. And the FRN, I mean, a lot of people give it a lot of criticism because it is FRN, it's not G10. So I don't know, I can't tell you guys for sure just yet. I have to EDC this guy to be able to make my final conclusions. Linear hole right there. And is this a glass breaker? Right, it looks like a ceramic ball glass breaker going on here in the back. Right, my voice was cracked there for whatever reason. I'm telling you guys, I'm not feeling the best, but here I am recording this video for you all, and also because I want to have this thing in my pocket like yesterday. So aside from that, the construction here looks pretty good. I don't see anything out of line. You got some nice speed holes, very tiny here. Help with the design. I believe this is the affordable version of the WE Knife Cepheus, right? If I'm not mistaken, right? Check that out, the WE Knife Cepheus, and this is the Civivi budget version of it. But ball bearings, I want to say. Yes, got some ball bearings going on this guy. No washers here. That's why the action is so fidgety. And I want to say the acoustics, because it is aluminum, sounds pretty different, right? It sounds pretty good there on the acoustics. Bam, bam. Some jimping going on here at the top, which is good. And rest your thumb right there and put in work. That finger choil again, very nice and big. Let's do some quick size comparisons here. Right here is the MSI from Microtech, another knife that I'm also EDCing as well. The Vision FG, which you saw a little bit earlier. All of them are somewhat cheapsfoot, Wharncliffe modified blades. So that should give you an idea there. Demko AD 20.5 on the shark's foot blade. There's two more, the PM2. And sure, why not? Let's toss in here the Para 3. Yeah, so definitely a lot closer to, probably bigger, right? Probably bigger overall length than the PM2, and definitely bigger than the Para 3. Now again, this is just for some quick reference. You guys already know how the drill goes. I gotta tell you, man, this thing already is making a good first impression. Let's see here, grip like this, nice and good, reverse cuts. All right, those are gonna feel pretty good as well. And I wanna say sharpening choil, you should have a lot of edge there, plenty of sharpening life in this knife, indeed. Let's of course do a little bit of paper cutting test. Now Tim did use this knife, but not all that much. So he pretty much sold it in brand new condition. So should still have plenty of sharpness from the box. There we go. How bitey is that edge? Oh, it's absolutely sharp. There's absolutely no doubt about that. Let's get some actual cuts in here. Bam. All right, yep. Getting in work. Cut there for a second. Boom. Bam. And you guys be the judge, right? Rate it from 1 to 10. How sharp is this guy? Does it need to be strapped? Yes, no? Can this guy do cardboard? Oh, sure he can. Let's see here. When cutting cardboard, guys, keep in mind, don't cut perpendicular like this, but rather at like an angle like that. And let's see. Bam. Boom. Trying to get some good leverage on the grip right there. And yes, it will cut cardboard like it is nobody's business. And again, K110, another company's version of D2. D2 at this price range, this guy comes in at $85. Check out the affiliate links down below if you want to check out this knife in more detail, or possibly pick yourself one of these guys up. Those links will help out the channel at no extra cost to you. And I mean, first impressions, I like it. I'm excited to EDC this knife. I am looking forward to it. It feels nice and light and elegant. And I am a sucker for Wharncliffe blades, right? Sheepsfoot, Wharncliffe, that's all my style right there. So I am excited and looking forward to it, no doubt about that. Well, there you have it, guys. There is the Civivi Sentinel Strike. Very recent knife to come out of Civivi here. Budget version of their WE knife, premium knife, the Cepheus, if I'm not mistaken. It is a button lock, and it is so far so good out of the box. I like how it feels. I like the acoustics of it. Of course, you guys know how the drill goes by now. I'm going to put this thing in my pocket for about 2 weeks and EDC it and gather as much feedback as I possibly can, and then get back to you guys, drop a comprehensive review here in the channel. for you guys to check that out. So if you aren't already subscribed, this will be a good time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't yet hit the like button at this point, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free. It does help out the channel grow and reach a larger audience. And if you want to take your support a step further, check out the Patreon link down below. Huge thanks to all my Patreon supporters. Guys, thank you so much. If you made it to the end, you guys are the real MVP. Check out the unboxing on the MSI from Microtech if you haven't already. I'll put a card for that video right here. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.